everybody! Today I'm at my local Walmart and I found this Tech Deck Fingerboard and I'm gonna unbox it whenever we get home. And it's by Spin Master and I'm gonna get it because I've been wanting a fingerboard, like an actual fingerboard, for like ever since I made my fingerboard. So yeah, and I'm sitting on the ground right now. Don't ask. But this is what the fingerboard is gonna look. This is what the fingerboard looks like. It looks like a panda pooping out a rainbow, and it says "enjoy" on it. See, like enjoy. And so I'm gonna unbox this when we get home. So we're checking out, and I got one of the rare ones because this one is my skateboard that I'm gonna get, and it is one of the rares. So I got a rare one. So I am home now, and I got a few things. I went to Walmart, and I went to my local thrift store. From the thrift store, I got a cute teddy bear. It's so cute. I love him. I'm going to name him, let's do Bear Bear. Yeah, Bear Bear. This is Bear Bear. Everybody meet Bear Bear. Hi. Hi, I'm Bear Bear. I also got yarn to make friendship bracelets with. See, I got this one to make friendship bracelets with, and this one. I got this one because I love the colors and it looked girly, kind of like a girly camouflage one. And then I got this one because it looks masculine. And they were $2 each, so I think that's a pretty good deal. And from Walmart, as you saw, I got my Tech Deck Fingerboard. I love this already and I haven't opened it. Let's just open this up so we can start skating. I also have my giant clipboard here with me to skate on. Let's do this. Fast motion.
I'm very surprised. I thought it was just going to feel plasticky, but it didn't. It doesn't. Okay. This is like kind of heavy, but kind of not. It's like on the medium side. So let's skate the skateboard.
Okay, first try. It glides nicely. So now, since I cannot wait to make friendship bracelets out of this yarn, I'm gonna make it right now. Let's go. So here is the finished bracelet. It started out brown, made its way to green, and then it made its way to light pink, then dark pink, and then brown. And so let's try this on. This looks awesome. I totally recommend Red Heart Super Saver yarn for friendship bracelets because it's not only fuzzy and soft, it fits perfectly when you make friendship bracelets. So this is what it looks like. It reminds me of ice cream. It's time to make the masculine one. Ooh. Oh, there's a big knot. I think I can pull that out. Yep, I pulled it out. So let's make this bracelet. So here is the next bracelet. It starts out like a dark green, and then it goes to light green, then a light brown, then dark brown, then black, then dark brown again, then light green, dark green, and then it goes like to a whitish tan color. Now, let's put it on. I have 4 bracelets in total on me. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's 4. That's a lot of bracelets, let me tell you that. So I have this one, this blue one, the ice cream one, and the masculine one. So that was my video on me getting the yarn, making bracelets out of the yarn, tech deck skateboard, and a cute little teddy. Don't forget to subscribe to join the fun family. And the question of the day is, have you tried making these bracelets before? On my bracelet on how to make my DIY wrap bracelets. If you have, give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Look guys, I made Bear Bear his very own wrap necklace. But this is just a necklace. It can't really like wrap around his head. I'm going to leave it like this. But Bear Bear looks so adorable. I love you, Bear Bear.